Hey Ridge, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own shaker. It's super easy to make. There are a lot of different percussion instruments that can make a shaking sound, but I'm going to show you how to make one that looks more like this one. What you're going to need to use to make your shaker is tape, a tube, scissors, a pen, and paper. I use newspaper for mine. Then you're going to also need something to put in the shaker to make the shaking sound. You could use beans, popcorn kernels, rice, or really anything that's small that you think would make a rattling sound inside of it. First, put your tube on the paper, then grab your pencil or pen and go ahead and draw a square around the tube so you know how big to cut your pieces of paper for the sides. Then go ahead and take your scissors and cut out your paper so you have two squares. Then you're going to place your piece of paper down and put your tube on top of it. Go ahead and fold the piece of paper around the tube to try to help it make the shape. After you got the paper around the tube, go ahead and grab your tape. You're going to get a big piece of tape so that way you can tape the paper to the sides of the tube. This is a little tricky. You might have to use more than one piece of tape to try to help get all the different sides because you want to make sure that paper is taped all the way around it. Next, you're going to place whatever you wanted to use to make the shaking sound inside of the tube. Make sure that you put enough in it, but not too many in it. The last thing that you're going to do is put your piece of paper on top of the other side of the tube. Go ahead and rip off a piece of tape, and then you're going to tape down the paper to the tube all the way around it so it will stay on. You will probably need to use more than one piece of tape to make sure that it stays all the way down. Awesome, now you have your own shaker. Go ahead and watch the video down below. You can practice some rhythms with it and play your shaker along with me while I play my drum.